Hello and welcome. Today I suggest cooking a very tasty rice pilaf with beef that always turns out golden and aromatic. My personal recipe? I don't claim authenticity, but it will be very tasty. So for the pilaf, we'll need 500 grams of young beef, 300 grams of parboiled rice, 150 grams of vegetable oil, 200 grams of carrots, 300 grams of onions, 50 grams of garlic, 600 milliliters of water, 12 grams of pilaf seasoning salt-free, 10 grams of salt, and 1 to 2 grams of pepper. First, wash the meat and pat it dry with paper towels. Cut into small pieces about 2 by 2 centimeters. Dice the onion not too finely. See what nice cubes we get? Finally, grate the carrot. It will give our pilaf a golden color and shine. Now rinse the rice twice in cold water, draining the water each time. Heat a pan with half a tablespoon of oil. Add the meat and fry over medium heat until browned but not fully cooked. Season lightly while frying, about 2 grams of salt. Add 1 gram of freshly ground black pepper. Transfer the browned meat to the pot where we will cook the pilaf. The pot must have a thick bottom, or better yet, be cast iron. The kitchen already smells amazing from the seared meat. Back to the heated pan. Add half a tablespoon of oil and sauté the onion and carrot over medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. After 15 minutes, add another tablespoon of oil and continue sautéing. Once the onion and carrot have a nice color and aroma, add them to the meat and stir. Measure 1 cup, 300 grams of water and add to the meat and vegetables. A very important part of making pilaf is the seasoning. A pilaf seasoning mix usually contains cumin, coriander, paprika, and pepper. I use a ready-made salt-free mix. At this stage, I add 12 grams to the meat and vegetables. Simmer everything for about 30 minutes over medium heat, occasionally opening the lid and stirring. After that, add the rice to the pot and stir. Also add all the remaining 140 grams of oil and a second cup of water, 300 milliliters. Stir. Place over medium heat and bring to a boil. Once it boils, reduce the heat to the lowest setting. Attention, stir one last time. The finishing touch, the garlic. I washed it beforehand and peeled off the top layer. Place it on top of the pilaf. Add some herbs, parsley works well. Cover with a lid and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. Do not open the lid and do not stir. This is important. Once the 20 minutes are up, do not open the lid. Cover the pot with a towel and let the pilaf rest for another 20 minutes. Now it is time to taste. Amazing aroma, rich flavor. This pilaf leaves you feeling full and satisfied. Cook and enjoy.